Plumbers keep this from you. I inserted a hose into the toilet and got rid of the problem. If your toilet keeps clogging and emits an unpleasant odor, you don't have to call a plumber. All you need is a regular hose from a dishwasher or washing machine and an empty bottle. Start by cutting the bottle in half using a knife. Only the top part will be needed. Unscrew the prepared bottle and insert it into the end of the hosey. It should fit perfectly, as these are standard thread sizes. Use duct tape to seal the connection. Twist it several times securely. Take the other end of the hose, cut it to a length of 1 meter. Do this at an angle. This will make it easier to use. Take the prepared hose to the bathroom. It will come in handy for pushing in deep cleaning pipes. Insert it into the toilet and push it through the drain pipe. Once it's deep enough, stand the bottle upright. Pour a cup of baking soda into it. It has a cleaning and disinfecting effect. Shake the hose to make the powder fall to the bottom. Then pour a cup of vinegar into it. It will react with the baking soda, creating a foaming reaction. It will clean the pipe from lime deposits. It will flush out the dirt clogging the drain. The chemical reaction will help eliminate the sludge responsible for the unpleasant odor in the toilet. This action will keep the pipes in good condition for longer, and you won't have to use a plumber's services. After removing the hose, wait for the soda and vinegar to drain into the toilet. Finally, check the water, and you're done.